the storm is coming. Look at the sky.
But my watch says we still have time, Sparky. I don't like this wind.
Oh dear, we're terribly late. This wind is frightful.
Faster, Benjamin. We must hurry before it gets worse.
Oh dear, I'm dreadfully late. No time at all. Goodbye. It looks like a storm is coming. Goodness me, look at the time. I simply must hurry along now.
We must hurry. It's getting awfully dark and I simply cannot be late. It's almost time, you see. These chestnuts are heavy and the mud is slowing me down. If I don't hurry, we won't have enough for the winter. Oh my God! Our treehouse won't last!
We're doomed, Benjamin. The sky is falling. We have to run.
It's all right, Sparky. Look, over there. We can take cover in that log.
Oh no! Oh no! The wind is too strong. We're gonna fall. My chestnuts! I can't drop my chestnuts.
It's breaking! We have to get out of here! My house! It's about to collapse!
Faster, faster! The rain is getting heavier. Hold on to the chestnuts. Almost there.
Sparky, wait! You can't stay out here. It's dangerous.
But the nuts! I almost had enough.
Sparky! Are you okay?
It's all right, Sparky. We just have to wait out the rain. You and your chestnuts are safe with me.
Don't you worry, Benjamin. This leaf is plenty big enough for two.
Oh, thank you, Gubby. It's dreadfully wet out here.
Everyone stay together. It's a big storm today.
We must reach the clearing before the storm overtakes us. The fate of the forest depends on it.
We have to get to a safe place first.
Are you certain this is the correct way, Gubby? The rain is making visibility quite difficult.
Don't fret, little one. We're almost through the thicket now.
Don't worry, little one. This leaf will hold.
But the water, Gubby, it keeps rising.
Well, hello there, little one. Fancy meeting you out here in the storm.
Oh, greetings. I didn't expect anyone else to be traveling today. Is everyone okay? I saw the tree shaking from afar.
I apologize for interrupting, but perhaps I could offer some shelter from the rain.
That is very kind of you, Della. We seem to be quite stuck here.
I'm here to help. What's going on? What's going on?
Oh dear, we finally made it, Gubby. I was afraid we'd be soaked through.
Don't worry, Benjamin. We're safe and dry now. The cabin looks warm.
Oh dear, it's dreadful out there. Do come in, quickly now. We wouldn't want you catching a cold before the party.
Don't you worry, Benjamin. That rain can't touch us in here.
But what if the river rises, Gubby? The water looked terribly high.
It's coming down rather hard, isn't it? I hope the path isn't washed out.
Don't you worry, little friend. We're safe and dry in here.
It's just so frightening, Benjamin. Everything seems so big and scary.
I know. But we're safe. My house. It's gone.
It's all right, little friend.
I was so scared, Gubby.
Shh, you're safe now. Just rest here by the warmth. Don't worry, little one. We'll rebuild it.
Indeed, Benjamin. A moment of quiet contemplation often yields the greatest insight.
Quite right, Professor. Absolutely.
As soon as the storm is over, we'll work together.
I do hope the rain hasn't spoiled the path too much for tomorrow's travels.
Don't you worry, Benjamin.
Don't you worry, Benjamin. A little rain never hurt anyone.
Oh dear, it's really coming down, isn't it?
Besides, it's rather cozy in here.
Oh dear, that was quite the storm, wasn't it? I do hope the carrots are all right.
The rain has passed past Imogen. It seems like the rain is about to stop. Oh dear, we're terribly late, you see.
And Semlosek, the schedule is all wrong.
Patience, little friend. Oh dear, we're terribly late, you see.
And Semlosek, the schedule is all wrong.
Patience, little friend.
It looks bad, but we'll fix it together.
I've already spotted a reorganization.
Poor squirrel. I hope he's all right.
It's badly damaged, but it's not beyond repair.
Efficiency is key when you have this much style.
Let's reinforce the main tree trunk first. It's broken, but maybe we can fix it. Yes, we can!
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Don't fret, we're making good time.
Yes, but the deadline.
All right, everyone, lift together now. Gently does it.
Oh, splendid, right on schedule.
Are you sure it's secure? It feels a bit wobbly.
Solid as a tree trunk, friend.
Just give it another knock.
Tighter than a tick. This shelter isn't going anywhere.
Just right.
There we are. Perfect alignment. That angle should hold up nicely now.
This beam is heavy, but it fits perfectly.
Yes, right there. Rabbit, are we on schedule?
Precisely on time, Fox.
Look, it's almost done.
It's even more beautiful than before.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
A fine home for the winter.
Oh, yes. Absolutely splendid.
Built to last, thanks to my tools.
See you on the next adventure.
Goodbye, little ones.
We'll miss you. Safe travels. Until we meet again.